How to create an affiliate marketing website in 2024. Complete tutorial. Whether you're a beginner or looking to refine your skills, this guide will walk you through the essential steps to get started. Step 1. Choose your niche. Focus on an area you're passionate about and that has a profitable potential. Research market demand, competition, and available affiliate programs. Tools like Google Trends and keyword planners can help you find a profitable niche. Step 2. Select a domain name and hosting. It should be short, memorable, and relevant to your niche. Use domain registrars like Namecheap or GoDaddy. Then, choose a reliable hosting provider. Bluehost, SiteGround, and HostGator are popular choices that offer great uptime and customer support. Step 3. Set up WordPress. Once you have your domain and hosting, install WordPress. It's user-friendly, flexible, and has numerous plugins tailored for affiliate marketing. Most hosting providers offer one-click WordPress installation. Step 4. Choose a theme. Choose a professional theme for your website. Look for responsive and SEO-friendly themes. Astra, GeneratePress, and OceanWP are excellent options. Customize your theme to match your brand's look and feel. Step 5. Install essential plugins. Install essential plugins to enhance your site's functionality. Yoast SEO helps with search engine optimization. Pretty Links lets you manage your affiliate links. WP Forms helps you create contact forms. Other useful plugins include Monster Insights for analytics and Akismet for spam protection. Step 6. Create quality content. Create high-quality content that provides value to your audience. Write product reviews, how-to guides, and comparison articles. Use a mix of text, images, and videos. Ensure your content is informative, engaging, and optimized for SEO. Step 7. Join affiliate programs. Join affiliate programs related to your niche. Popular options include Amazon Associates, ShareASale, and CJ Affiliate. Apply to programs that offer products or services your audience would find useful. Once approved, you'll get unique affiliate links to include in your content. Step 8. Promote your website. Promote your website to drive traffic. Use social media, email marketing, and SEO strategies. Engage with your audience through comments, forums, and social media platforms. Guest posting and collaborations can also help increase your website's visibility. Step 9. Monitor and optimize. Finally, monitor your website's performance using tools like Google Analytics and Monster Insights. Track your traffic, click-through rates, and conversions. Continuously optimize your content, website speed, and user experience to improve your results. Conclusion. Creating an affiliate marketing website takes time and effort, but with the right strategies, it can be highly rewarding. Follow these steps, stay consistent, and you'll be on your way to building a successful affiliate marketing business in 2024.